So a Jew hater is sitting in a bar drinking, and he notices that there's a Jew sitting nearby, and he doesn't like it. So he says, "Bartender, buy a round of drinks for everybody in the bar except the Jew." Bartender does it. The Jew hater looks over at the Jew, see if he's insulted, and the Jew just smiles right at him. Jew hater gets angry, can't believe it. He says, "Bartender, another round for everybody in the bar of your finest stuff and a burger for everybody except the Jew." Now he thinks he's got him, but the Jew hater looks over at the Jew, and the Jew just smiles right back. Jew hater can't understand. He walks over to the bartender. He says, "Bartender, what's the matter with that Jew? Is he just stupid or does he not speak English?" And the bartender says, "Actually, sir, he's the owner."